Introducing the 2 to 13 mm hot-selling customized BR for 13 CNC 3D automatic steel C1018 wire bending machine by Barue. This state-of-the-art machine, proudly manufactured in Jiangsu, is guaranteed to meet your needs. With its multifunctional capabilities, it efficiently processes plastic, aluminum, and alloy materials. Rest assured, our product comes with a 1-year warranty on core components such as PLC, engine, and bearing. Don't miss out on this new product of 2024. Ideal for printing shops, this CNC channel letter bending machine is your ultimate solution.